Edgar and Leah, congratulations. And first of all, on their behalf, I'd like to thank everyone who's here tonight, who came to celebrate with their wedding anniversary. My only advice is for you, for both of you, is when you have a choice to be right or to be kind, always choose to be kind in your relationship, and love will last. Thank you.
May we call in Daddy? Oh, gulat na gulat ka na naman, Daddy. Palakpakan po natin the father of our bride. Halika na, Daddy. Dito ka na, marami kang fans.
Unang-una, congrats sa inyong dalawa. Ang may papayo ko lang sa inyong dalawa, kasi maraming may pamilya rito, kuminsan hindi nagkakaintindihan, kuminsan may pag-aaway. Ang masasabi ko lang, bago kayo matulog, dapat mapag-usapan nyo, pagkasundo kayo, para sa ganun tumagal ang inyong pagsasama at masaya. Yun lang. Salamat. Congrats.
Thank you po, Daddy. Is there somebody else that you would like to give their advice or message? Kuya Boyet. A big round of applause, everyone. Surprise, Kuya Boyet.
Surprise, of course. My message is just always be understandable. That's all, and I really wish you guys the best. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you so much po. Nagagalit siya. Ito naman, nakakagulat ka naman. Tawag ka ng tawag bigla. Alright, bride, sa side mo. One last. Meron pa ba? Tita LV. Surprise. Tita LV, mahilig sa sorpresa ha. Halina po kayo dito. Please join our couple sa tabi po nila. Palakpakan natin si Tita LV. Nagulat, nagulat.
Ayokong umiyak, pero alam mo naman, na love ka po namin. Sana sa pagkakataong ito, maging masaya ka habang buhay mo. Para maging masaya rin kami para sa'yo. Sana lagi kang magbakasyon. Huwag mo kaming kalilimutan. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Yun lang po. Sana maging masaya po sila, magkaroon po sila ng maraming anak. Para mapalitan po siya. Thank you.
Dapat maipalaganap ang magandang genes. Alright, finally, newlyweds, it's your turn. You may now give your words of gratitude